5 Amazon travel products you need. This is the world's smallest portable charger. It's even got a little screen to show how much charge it has. It's also really light, so great putting in your pockets or in a bag. This is a tiny toothbrush with a toothpaste capsule built in. It also has a toothpick on the other end. They're great for using on flights. This bottle can carry 4 different liquids in. Just fill each one up with, for example, shampoo. Then just twist to the correct one and push the button to dispense. This travel bottle has up to 500 milliliters of liquid. It's got a clip to attach to bag or trousers and collapses to take anywhere. This little buddy holds your favorite cologne or perfume in a tiny bottle. It's a great size and it holds the perfect amount, so you don't have to take a whole bottle with you. And this is dissolvable soap, which is thinner than paper. They come in a tiny pack, so you can take them anywhere with you, so you can always keep your hands clean.